Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing an installation video for Dazuma's Creative LED. Nordic pendant lights featuring a glass lantern design with stripes. The package includes one accessory bag containing mounting screws and a screwdriver set, one high-intensity light bulb, one electrical connector, one product lid, a lamp head system, a lamp shade. First, remove the two mounting screws from the top cover of the product and set them aside safely. Next, remove the metal plate that secures the product inside the top cover. Loosen the fastening knob on the top cover. Route the headlight system's power cable through the headliner. Tighten the latches on the top cover. Place the product's mounting plate onto the electrical box where you intend to install the product. Then secure it using the two mounting screws included in the accessory kit. Connect the product's power cord to your push and quick connect terminals. Then tuck any excess product wiring into the electrical box and place the product covered on top. Reinstall the two mounting screws from the product's top cover that were removed earlier. Remove the retaining ring located below the headlight assembly. Install the product's lampshade. Reattach the retaining ring you just removed to secure the lampshade. Install the high-intensity bulb into the headlight housing. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.